Hello, I'm Dr. Karthik, pulmonologist and allergy specialist. Coronavirus and COVID-19 is the talk of the town. Everywhere we go, everyone is wearing a mask in public. The government has also suggested that people wear masks when going out. This has led to a lot of frenzy and people are holding up on mask materials. And they're also not sure what type of mask to wear, when to wear it, and how to wear it. I would like to address this issue here. We know that coronavirus spreads by a droplet infection. The droplets we mean secretions which are generated from the lungs, from the throat, and from the nose. This is why it is suggested to wear a mask when going out. However, these masks are maximally effective only when the infected person wears them. By wearing a mask, you reduce the chance of getting infection from another person and maintaining physical distance. There are different types of masks available: an N95 mask, an N95 mask, surgical mask, or a simple cloth mask. N95 and N99 usually are recommended for use in COVID-19 situations only. By this, I mean those healthcare workers who are working with COVID-19 patients are recommended to use this because they are surrounded by high viral loads. For general purposes, a simple surgical mask or a cloth mask is more than sufficient. This is because the virus, even though it is very small, but it has to combine with the droplets to cause a spread. When it combines with the droplet, the overall size of the particle is more than 0.5 microns, and these can be filtered out by a surgical mask or a face mask also, if used properly. So, how do you wear a surgical mask? Before you wear a surgical mask, it is very important that you perform hand hygiene using a hand sanitizer or wash your hands with soap and water. And after cleaning your hands adequately, you hold the mask, identify the inner side and the outer side. Usually, the inner side is lighter in color than the outer surface. By holding the mask by the loops, you place it over your nose and then pull it around your ears. After placing it on your nose, press down on the nose flip and pull from inside over your chin. Once you place the mask adequately, again perform hand hygiene. Before removing your mask, again perform hand hygiene with hand sanitizer or soap and water and hold the mask with the loops and then remove them together. Once you remove it, identify the inner side and then hold it by your hand and fold it upon itself so that the outer surface is inside and the inside surface is outside. Now, this mask can be easily disposed of or stored if it is a reusable mask. However, if you're using a simple cloth mask or a mask with a loop, it is preferable again to perform hand hygiene and hold the mask with the loops. Hold the one above, place it over your nose, tie above your ears. After that, hold the one below and then tie below your ears. After tying the mask, again perform hand hygiene. Please refrain from frequently touching your mask because the outer surface is probably infected, and you perform hand hygiene every time you touch a mask or external surface. Now, to remove the mask, it is preferable to remove the bottom first and then remove the top half and hold in such a way that you can pinch the inner half and then fold it upon itself and dispose it or reuse. I see that a lot of people are generally not tying the bottom half and letting it loose like this, which means that the bottom half is not completely sealed, or they bring down the mask onto their chin and communicate with others, or they do not cover their nose and only cover their mouth alone with their mask. This way, you are not properly using the mask the way it is meant to be. Remember that just because you wear an N95 or N99 mask does not make you protected from coronavirus. This is exclusively to be used only by healthcare workers because it requires a lot of care in wearing and removing and also in disposal. If you do not follow adequate measures, you are still prone to get infections. That is why I usually recommend to wear a simple surgical mask or a cloth mask because they can be easily disposed and easily worn or reused whenever necessary. Wearing a mask is a good thing and it will probably prevent you from getting an infection, but it gives you a false sense of security. Please remember that you have to maintain physical distancing and hand washing and hand hygiene, and only those two along with wearing a mask will give you protection. Thank you.